Hey guys, welcome to Levi Apparel. Today I got a big surprise for you guys. Alright, so somebody contacted me and said they wanted to do a mock-up. I did a mock-up tutorial video before, but they wanted to be in a cell phone. Now, I thought that was interesting, but I know there's a software where they can use their cell phone. So, if you go online and you type in Pixlr, Pixlr. I'll also put a link in the description so you can see it. Okay? So in Pixlr, let me double click. You want to go to Pixlr E for edit edition. Okay, once you're there, I pre-selected something, but in case you have zero activity here, you want to go to open image. Okay, desktop, and this will be the file that I will send you so you can get it. So if you open the file, you have a choice. You know what? I'm gonna use the blue. That's the back. Hold on. Now the file I'll send you will not have backs. It will only have front. So let's choose this blue. Okay. All right. So now once the image shows up, you see on the side it says image displays shirt color only and not actual size of the design. This is done on purpose because the shirt is not anatomically correct. Therefore, the image that's going to be placed on the shirt, whether it's placed on top or bottom, may not be exactly to the size that the client may expect. So therefore, that's why this is there. All right. This is only a mock-up for you to do to show the client. Okay. So on the other side, right here, you'll see different things. So this we're acquainted with. That's this mouse cursor right here. So you can take things and drag them out. This is a box. So you can select certain areas, and after you select the area, everything else will disappear. This is a lasso. So just like you would use a lasso on CorelDRAW or Illustrator, it does the same exact thing. All right. And if you look on the description, it even tells you exactly what it does. But for today, we're only going to use the one feature. All right. Now, you want to double click on this to unlock it so you can be able to move the image. Let's get this out of the way. Okay, so we're going to go back to our file. Actually, no. Um, Pixar has a new feature. So instead of going to File, Open, and Create New Artwork, what you can do is this. Go to your layers area, click on the plus sign, and this will show up. Now you can choose an empty space, and that will just create an empty layer, or image, which will create the image, or text. For this purpose, we're going to use the image and text feature. You can only use one at a time. Click the image. Go back to desktop. These are some line heads I got from the website. This is for educational purposes only. Give it a minute for it to show. Okay. So as you can see, it's humongous. Now don't be afraid. You can still size it up. You want to make sure you're on the mouse cursor, and this will give you the option to be able to move things up, down, side to side. Go to the edge, make the image smaller, push it down, keep making it smaller. All right. Okay. So this is a pretty decent size. We're gonna make it smaller, but it's pretty decent size for now. All right. Now you want to click on the wand tool. So the wand tool, what it does is it removes backgrounds. For example, if I was to, whenever you're doing something to a layer, you want to click on it. All right. So, all right. So if we select the shirt layer, you click on the wand tool. You can just press delete or backspace. It removes the background. If you want to remove these marching ants, click on the side, the dark space, and there you go. Alright? But we're not here to remove the background of the shirt. So we're going to go to Edit, Undo. If you click Edit, there's different features over here. Get acquainted. On the image, you can change the size of the image or the canvas. The canvas is this space right here. You can make it bigger, wider, shorter, whatever. Alright? So currently we want to use the line head. So we're going to go to line head, click on a portion of the white, delete it. Click on another portion of the white, delete it. We're going to keep doing this until we remove all the background. Last one is on top. There you go. Now remember, to get rid of this marching ant, you want to click the side. The reason why is because if you click on this, right, and let's say you try to use something else. See, it doesn't, well, in this case, it allows you to move stuff around. But as you can see, it still has the marching ant. So we're going to do undo first to put everything back. Now, like I said, if you have the marching ant, you need to first click outside the box at a dark area, whatever space you're given, and then that marching ant will be gone. Okay, so now we're going to click back on the mouse. We're going to resize it. Alright, so let's say the person wanted a shirt with a lion, black and white lion on it, and they wanted a text in the bottom that just says lion. Something simple. You want to go back again to your layer section on top of history. Click on the plus sign, click on text, and you'll have this text available to you. Now it's highlighted for a reason. Once you start typing, it will delete everything. For example, I'm going to spell out lion. Okay? This box, if you move to the side, you can make it bigger or smaller. I'm going to show you why you want to either make this bigger or smaller. If you are still under the text layer, you can double click. It will allow you to continue to write whatever you want. So, for example, space. Alright, so let's move this. Click out of it to move it around. Now you can move it around. Okay. So as you can see, however wide you put the box, that's how much space it'll have. The wider you make it, the more you can make words like fit into a longer space. You can also do this. Double click to go back to text feature. You press enter to bring it down, and just take the side and you can drag it. There you go. So again, the smaller you make it, the less space you'll have. All right. I just wanted to show you this so you can be able to play around with it and know exactly what to do with it. All right. So for this purpose, double click again to get back to the text. We just need the word line. When you click outside the box, now everything is locked, and all you need to do is be able to make it smaller. Remember, if you have a longer word in there, I think I misspelled lion. Did I misspell lion? No, that's right. Lion. Lion. Lion in French. Okay, so let's say the person doesn't want the word line to be white. If you click on the word line again and you go up, you have color spectrums that you can decide from. Say if you wanted black, he or she wanted black. Click on black. You can decide different colors here and play around with it whenever you have free time. Okay? So now we have the word line in black and the line in black and white. So that's how you would use, okay, I want to move the line. I'm going to go to the lion layer, and now I can move it. Oh, excuse me. Line layer. The lion word was stuck to the line layer, so it didn't really want to move it. That's interesting. It's not moving it. Well, anyways, as you can see, when I click on the layer, it moves it around. I must have locked it by accident. But yeah, so that's pretty much it. Now you have your shirt set up with a mock-up. If you want to put a different background, all you would need to do is click on the wand tool, remove the white background, and then you want to click on the, where's the eraser? The eraser tool, which is right here, and erase all this right here. And then you can have yourself a background with a shirt in it if that's what you prefer. Sky's the limit what you can do with this Pixlr. It's free to use. It's no cost to anybody. You just need to either log in or just open the thing. If you have a login with it, then everything you do will be saved on the Pixlr. Okay? Remember, if you have a login, everything you do will be saved under the Pixlr, so you can come back to it. Excellent. All right. So now you have a shirt mocked up. You want to click File, Save, and you put in what you want to save it as, and then you can go to your Gmail, right? You click on your Gmail, and then you just create an email, and then you just add the attachment of the artwork, send it to the client, and then the client will decide, okay, I like it, please proceed. Or let's say if you misspell lion, the client can look at it and be like, wait a minute, lion is misspelled, and then we'll let you know. The reason why you want to do a mock-up before you actually do the whole shirt is because it allows the customer to see visually how it looks like, if everything is placed correctly, and also if the wording is correct, because maybe they misspell it. Okay? So again, you have a mock-up shirt now you can do, and to get this, you have to go to leviteapparel.com. You want to add to cart. You add it to cart, you proceed to purchase, and then now you have this file available to you, all these different colors. Okay, you no longer have to go searching on the web for shirt mockups, nor do you have to go to a company and pay repetitive payments every month just to use their mockup feature. You have two powerful weapons, that you'll have available to you, which is all these shirts ready to go to be mocked up, and Pixlr, which will allow you to remove backgrounds and manipulate your artwork so you can make it to your liking and the customer's recommendation. All right. So hopefully you can hear me. The volume is a little low, but I'm trying my best to help you out. If you have a cell phone, you can still use this. First, you purchase the artwork. I will send you an email file. The reason why I'm sending you an email file so you can have it available on your phone or whatever device you use. Because if I send you a zip file, you might not be able to open it. And Pixlr also does not open zip file because when it takes the file, it will try to take everything that's in it. And the feature in Pixlr does not allow that. So therefore, you can't. However, um, I will send both zip file and regular file on the extra. That's the next version of this. You can purchase it. It'll have both the zip file and the regular file. So now on this one, you only have just the front shirt. And I did the front shirt on purpose. The reason why I did the front shirt on purpose because when you put artwork in the front and in the back, side, or sleeves, that's 4 different artwork placement. That's literally the equivalent of 4 different artwork and 4 different shirts. A lot of time, what we tend to do, we don't charge extra for different areas of the shirt. So I'm allowing you to purchase this front side only, so you can understand the value of it. It's only, like I said, $2.99. So when you're ready, you can upgrade to the next one, which it'll say extra right here. I'm gonna create it right after this video, and I'm also gonna make a video about it. Um, the next one will allow you to have front and back, but the price will be a little bit higher. And the reason why I'm going to make the price higher is so that you can know, listen, I purchased this, and if the customer wants me to do markup, and I'm gonna do front and back on the shirt, then they're gonna have to pay me a little extra. It's to force you to make sure you get what you're worth because you're doing all this work for the customer to make markup, to do the shirt, and at the end to get paid pennies. It sucks. I've been there, done that. I even had to like purchase markup, continually pay for markup and all that stuff. You know, now I made it easy for everybody. You can just purchase this. You can even use it on your phone. You can use Pixar on your phone. You can download the software. I mean the markups I'm sending you on your phone, and you can use it. It's that easy and that available to you, or you can use it on your laptop where you have more space, more availability, and more time. Okay. Either way, Pixar is available to you anywhere because it's an online feature, and then the artwork will be emailed to you so you can download it to any device you want. All right. This is Levi Apparel. Please like and subscribe. Also, you're probably looking at this video right here. At this time, I haven't posted it, but I will post it here by the time you purchase this. All right. Um, Again, this is a no monthly fee for you. Files will be emailed. Okay, files via email. And yep, enjoy and upgrade to the next one if you want to use the next one. If not, you want to stick with this one, you could. It's up to you. Either way, you have an arsenal that is easy and available to use. Again, it's only $2.99. So a shirt that's color costs $2. The ink is maybe 50 cents. That's $2.50. This is only $2.99, which is, let's say, $3, right? So you altogether your profit is gonna be, let's say, if it's $10, and you spend for the shirt, the ink, and the email file I'm sending you, it's gonna be maybe $5.50, and you get $4.50. If you bring your price to like 15, you're looking at least $10, you know, or 9.50. You still make profit, and you buy this once. So next customer shirt you make, you've already made your money and you're good to go. Plus, you can write this off in taxes, just so you know. It's not a lot, but you can still write it off. Okay. Again, this is Levi Apparel. Please like and subscribe, and I look forward to you purchasing this and using Pixlr or whatever artwork device artwork software you have to edit. Okay. All right. Please like and subscribe. This is Levi Apparel.